anyway. Skies clear tomorrow night, and it's dry, cold weather Monday through Wednesday. It's snowing at 23 degrees in Central Park with 88% humidity. Northeast winds 15 to 30 miles an hour. The leading current temperature 23, going down to 21 in Midtown. I'm IQ Weather Meteorologist Dave Powers on New York's Weather Station 10 and Wind.
When it gets to an important message from back here in the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
It's that time of year again, Rose. Yeah, Medicare open enrollment. My son and I were talking about prescription drug plans. I compared my options, and I like what I have.
Now with the